Hey Stewie, it's me, Aaron the Assassin. Have you grown your hair?
No, Aaron, it's a wig. I was tired of being a bald cunt.
Oh right, well when I come down to wig on this October I'm going to knock you the fuck out, right?
Ha ha ha, shut it, Porky.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It is a very mean and nasty place, and it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't how hard you hit, it's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, then go out and get what you're worth. But you've gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you are because of him or her or anybody.
I ain't getting on no plane.
Don't worry, punk. I'm coming to you.
Can't we just spar as friends?
You mean you don't want me to knock you out in front of the ESB crowd and then take your whiffy Gabby from you?
Please don't, Aaron. I'm not on your level physically. I need a year to get in shape.
I'm coming for you, Stewie. You ain't from the same cloth as me. You've been mugging me off a long time. You called me a recluse and a rapist. I'm not a recluse.
I'll fuck you till you loved me, faggot.
My main objective will be to be professional, but to kill you.
I think I may have peed myself a little bit.
My power is discombobulatingly devastating. I will feel muscle tissues collapse under my force. It's ludicrous you mortals even attempt to enter my realm.